Want to refresh your body and your spirit? Try the prayer walk habit. It's based on Micah 6:8. And what does the Lord require of you? To act justly and to love mercy and to walk humbly with your God. Prayer isn't just for quiet moments at home. You can take it with you. Here's how this faith-building habit works. Step 1. Take a short walk. Around the block, in a park, in your backyard, or even up and down the hall. Step 2. As you walk, talk to God. Thank Him, ask for guidance, or just be still in His presence. Step 3. Step by step, feel His peace replace your worries. So, why not make prayer walks a daily habit? Let His presence go with you wherever you walk today. Keep moving, keep praying, and keep growing in faith. Walk with Him today.